Happy Tuesday. It's Brianna Barra, owner of Clear Vision Accounting Solutions, and we help salon and spa owners to organize their finances, gain financial clarity, and pay the least amount of money in taxes. And I wanted to talk about a question that I received last night after posting my last post regarding the IRS advance payments for the child tax credit. All right, let me make a disclaimer. These advance payments are not like the stimulus payments that a lot of taxpayers have received in the past. All right, these are not like that. So the question was, if I'm a parent, why should I opt out? All right, so this isn't me telling you that you should opt out or that you shouldn't opt out if you aren't a client of mine and we haven't spoken directly, but I just want you to consider your options so that you aren't surprised come tax time. All right, so let me explain. These payments are a 50% advance payment for a credit that you can claim during tax time for if you have any qualifying children, right? It's the child tax credit. All right, so for example, if you are a business owner and you usually owe from year to year, you know what your tax situation is like. So the example that we're going to use is as if your tax situation for 2021 is exactly the same as 2020. You have the same amount of children and made the same amount of income, right? Same deductions, everything. We're going to assume that everything is the same. All right. If you owed last year for your 2020 taxes, you may want to consider opting out for the child tax payment, because guess what? If you actually receive 50% of that credit come tax time, you're only going to qualify for the other half, which would make your tax liability greater. All right, so essentially you would just have to pay that money right back, right? So would you just not receive it and still have the same type of situation, or would you rather receive it and essentially it kind of be like a loan and you have to pay it back? All right, now if you are the opposite and you usually get a refund $6,000, $7,000 plus, right, and everything remains the same, then there is a strong possibility that this credit may not negatively affect you. However, you can expect for your tax refund to be less because you will only be claiming half of the credit come tax time. All right, if you have any questions, go ahead and drop them in the comments below so that I can answer them for you. And thank you so much for asking that question, because I know a lot of people have that question as well. All right, and if you have any particular questions, such as if you're eligible or if you're not eligible, or if you want to opt out or update your information, such as your banking information since the last time you filed your taxes, go ahead and refer to my previous post. And on the last slide, I actually tell you where you can find that at on the IRS website. All right, of course, always use irs.gov as a source for yourself, and you can type in the 2021 advance checks, child tax payments, and there will be an option for you to, it'll say manage your payment. So go ahead, go to my last post, like it, share it with your friends, any and everybody that you know that this may apply to them, just in case they're wondering the same thing. All right, thank you so much.